Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is July 21st, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, today we have earnings in play, and it's earnings galore out there. Every stock is reporting, it seems like. Every time you turn around, there's more and more earnings coming out. Right now, the S&P 500 E-mini futures are basically flat. They're down 2 points to 2165.5 per contract. No big movement there. Not really a big deal. So we'll see how this market gives us overall. But the money's going to be made today trading the earnings. And the first one I'm going to start the day off with is Qualcomm. And what you're going to see here is Qualcomm right now is trading at $60.14. Stock closed at $55.82. That is a huge move up on the day. Qualcomm soaring and roaring. We will have gap levels for this one in the intraday stock chat room. The gaps will be posted up at 9 a.m. So if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, we should get gap plays every day for the next month. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll get to see our desktop live. You'll see everything we're doing and how we're playing the gaps. Next on my radar here is going to be American Express. Ticker symbol AXP. Stock right now is trading at $63.15. Closed at $64.48. So it is down ticking a little bit. The only support level that I am seeing here that looks really worthy is going to be down around $58. If it gets to $58, I would step into American Express for an intraday bounce. I think that's where the stock does show a lot of chart support. Next on my radar is going to be Intel. INTC is a ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $34.54. It closed yesterday at $35.69, so we're down about a little over a buck. Not a big deal yet, but this could turn out to be something more. Some levels I have in play today that I think are pretty worthy for Intel would be a move down to $32.30. If it got down there, I do think that's a level where you could get a little minor bounce, and then $31.40. If it gets there, I love that level for a bounce on Intel. Next up, we're going to take a look at Mattel. MAT is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed yesterday at $32.83. It is now trading at $32.83. So there's no move in Mattel. It did have a spike after hours, but it looks like it's settling in right there. No volume in on it. We'll keep this one on the radar today for later. Next up, we're going to take a look at Newmont Mining. Ticker symbol is NEM. Stock right now is trading at $40.15. Right there, closed at $39.29. I will have gap levels for this one, but the thing is, it's a little bit further away. So, again, we'll keep Newmont on the radar, but I'm not thinking that it's got a lot of upside in it. So I will have a gap level for it, but I'm not thinking it has a lot of upside from here. I'm not sure we'll hit the gap. Let's take a look at eBay. eBay is having a stellar move this morning. Stock closed at $26.99, now trading at $28.50. That's a nice pop for the equity. The only level in play now is really the double top, and that's around $29.83. So let's say $30. There should be excellent resistance there, as this is already overbought. If you own eBay by some chance, I would be trailing the stop loss immediately. This is a potential fade candidate this morning, so keep that on the radar. Next up on my radar is going to be Joy Global. Ticker symbol Joy to the World, JOY. You're going to see that the stock is trading at $27.77. This is a huge pop this morning. Stock closed at $23.55. So Joy is soaring. I do believe this is overbought on every metric, so be very, very careful here. $30 also looks like a good solid resistance level for a pullback, and also watch 32.12. I doubt it gets there, but nonetheless, if it does, you want to watch those levels. In sympathy to Joy, let's take a look at Caterpillar. That's upticking a little bit. Nothing great, but it is upticking. And also sometimes John Deere will catch a bid, and that is not doing anything this morning. All right, let's take a look at a few others here. Southwest Airlines, LUV. Right now, this stock is trading at $39.82, closed at $42.03. So it is definitely down ticking on the clicker here. Level I have for this name, $37.55. $37.55. That is a bounce area for Southwest. Let's go to General Motors. GM, ticker symbol GM. Stock is trading at $32.81, closed at $31.49. That's a real good pop for GM today. So again, When I look at this stock, if it gets up to 34 bucks, short it. That is a scalp short level, $34. Let's go over to TRV, which is Travelers Companies. Stock right now is trading at 115, closed at 117, down ticking a little bit. I like 112.75. If it gets to 112.75, I think you can play it for a bounce today. And again, we're going to have a lot of plays in the chat room this morning, lots of things in motion. This is what we like to see. Let's take a look at Union Pacific. I have not looked at this one this morning. Stock looks like it's trading down at 92, closed at 94.12. Only level that would even interest me would be around 84.50. So again, UMP down ticking a little bit. Stock is trading at 92, closed at 94. Only level that would interest me would be 84.50. I'm not sure we're going to see that. Let's take a look at Biogen, BIIB. This is a leading biotech name. Stock is catching a great bid today. Closed at 262.41. And stock is now trading at 276.40. Did briefly go above 278. Again, nice surge here. It is getting a little bit overbought, so you got to be a little bit careful there. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. There are a lot of levels in between here. You got a big gap window at around 290, and then there's a huge level around 306.50, 306.75. So those are both big resistance points. Let's take a look at Alaska Airlines, ALK. Stock right now is trading at 63.65, closed at 63.49. So nothing to do there, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look here at Dunkin' Donuts. DNDK is the ticker symbol here. Stock, oh, maybe not. Ticker symbol should be DNKN. DNKN, I mistyped that. Right now the stock is trading at 47.07, closed at 45.75. Watch resistance right at 50 bucks. So 50 is your big level if the stock can get up there. On the downside, since it is trading just a touch lower than yesterday's close, I would watch Pierce of $42 to the downside. That would be a buy. And again, if the stock does rally, short at 50 bucks. It's pretty simple. This one is down ticking a little from yesterday's close, but it's nothing terrible and there's no volume behind it. So this can change course rather quickly and go either way. So just be aware of that. All right, looking at the gold market. Gold is up $2.20 to $1,321 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, that was hit yesterday, and today upticking just a little bit. So we're not going to make too much out of it, but you got a little bit of an uptick there. If you're taking a look at crude oil, crude is down 16 cents to $45.59 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, what you will see here is USO is trading at 10.73, basically right where it closed. So no big movement there in oil and gold, but again, those are always on our radar, and we do play them quite often in the intraday stock chat room. Once again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing there. I will be working on gap plays all the way till the opening bell. So again, come on in. We have a couple gaps already, and I'll be working on more. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.